Alright, so we have, first of all, Dominion single box, eBay, Tuesday break. I don't know where to put my cutter. I found this. There we go, guys. Good luck. So it's a single pack. And if I'm right, there's 6 cards a box. Good luck. Alright, first card is a base card, number 299, Keith Yandle. Second card, 299 for the Ducks, Cam Fowler. Rookie short print, number 99 for the Dallas Stars, Valerie Nichushkin. Nice hit for Dallas. Short print, case it. It's base card jersey number 99, Daniel Sedin for Vancouver Canucks. Rookie patch number 50 for the Phoenix Coyotes, Chris Brown. And the last card is a Mammoth jersey number 50 for the New York Rangers, GT Miller. So that was for Dominion. I'll be right back in 5 minutes with the Artifact double box. Thank you.